Hello there, this is Hans from Dear Lucy, and in this video we'll go through the settings menu in Dear Lucy. You can access the settings menu by pressing the cogwheel in the bottom right corner of your dashboards. Please note that this icon is only visible to admins. When you press the cogwheel, you'll come to the settings homepage. This page gives you an overview of your dashboards, integrations, and users. There's also a progress bar showing you whether you've taken Dear Lucy into full use or not. You can always return to your dashboards by pressing the green button in the top left corner called View Live Dashboards, and the Logout button is placed on the right corner. Next to the Home tab, we have the Dashboards tab. In this view, you can see all of your dashboards. You can also click on the dashboards to change the layout of them, or the settings icon to change the background image, for example. In the sub-menu on the left, we have the kiosk mode settings. This is where you can create the links that are made to show your dashboards on TV screens in your office, for example. Next to the Dashboards tab, we have the Integrations tab. Here you can see and manage your current integrations and when they were last synchronized. In the sub-menu on the left, you can also add new integrations from the selected list of ready-made integrations we offer. Last but not least, there's the Users tab. This is where you can manage existing users or invite new users by pressing this red button. You can also access user groups and change access rights from the Manage Groups tab on the submenu on the left. The support icon on the top right corner directs you to our support page, where you can find tons of information and tips and tricks. And finally, the account button takes you to the site where you can change the currency and date and number format. You can also view your subscription plan from the billing page here. That was all for this video about the settings menu in Dear Lucy, but please don't hesitate to contact us if you want to know more.